Hey yo, this is Pocky, your design pro. Welcome to this episode of Revit. In this episode, we are going to learn how to design a complex brick wall, also known as a terracotta Jali wall. Hope I've pronounced it well. Terracotta Jali walls. We are going to have it at our staircases here. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials and also to turn on your notification for the daily updates. Let us start right away. We have to create a family for it. So I'll come to file, under file, I click, and I'll come to new. I'm going to create a family for it. So I'll click on that, then I'll come under English. I'm going to look for metric curtain wall panel. I'll click on it, and I'll come and open it. So once it opens, this is its interface, whereby we have all these reference lines. So I'm going to choose the exterior elevation, which is this one. So I'm going to model that pattern from this elevation. Let me reduce this. I'll give this 250. So the total is 500 millimeters. I want it to be 500 millimeters. Then I'll reduce also this. I'll give it 500. So we are going to model it in this square, which is 500. Let me also add another reference line, the horizontal one, the way we have this one. So I'll come to create. I'm going to create a reference plane. I'll come click on that, then I'll create another reference plane just right there. I'll click on it, then I'll make this 250 so that it is in the middle. So this is where we are going to design our Jali pattern. I already loaded my pattern that I want to design. So I'll come to insert, I'll click on insert, then I'll come import image. It will tell me the imported image will not be visible in the projects. To improve performance, delete the image before saving the family. So I'll simply come close this, then I'll go to under my downloads. They are right here. Double click, terracotta Jali wall tile. Click on that, come and open, and I'll have it right there. This is the pattern that I downloaded. So I'll come and adjust. Let me first rescale it. I'll come to the scale tool, or I simply type RE on my keyboard. That is the shortcut for rescaling, RE. So I can rescale this, maybe from here up to, let me say 500, but I'll go on adjusting. So let me move this, come to the move tool. I'm going to move it from this point. I move it up to there, then I'll need to rescale it again. I come to the scale tool, I click on it, so I'll scale this from there up to right there. So this is the pattern that we are going to sketch out. So after that, I'll come to create. I'm going to create an extrusion. The first extrusion we are creating is for the motor. So I'll come use this rectangle tool. I click on it, then come from here. I have it right there. As I can't see my lines, I'll come, I want to show the true line. I'll click on it, and since this is too bold, I would simply come, change the scale maybe to 1 to 5. I have something like that. I'll come back, click on this rectangle tool. I want to sketch out the motor, then I'm going to offset it by 15 mm. So I'll do this. I'll have my motor there. I'll change the material from here. For the thickness, I'm going to give it 50. So I need to change material for the mortar. I can just come simply change the parameter of the material. So I'll come here, then come to new parameter. I'm going to name this as mortar. Mortar. I think that's the spelling. Then I say OK. I apply OK. So the material category is mortar. This is 50. And I'll simply come and take this. I've finished to create that one. So I'll need to create another extrusion for the exact Jali wall brick. I can call it a brick. I'll come to create the extrusion. I'm going to use the same rectangle. I come, pick it from here. Then I have it at this point. And I'm have to draw the line. I'll come pick the first option, which is the straight line. I'm going to create a straight line. I'll sketch off this. Let me sketch from here up to somewhere there. And I'm going to go with the start end radius. I click that up to somewhere there. I rotate it like that. I'm going to maintain the same. I click somewhere there. Then I rotate it like that. I escape. So I'll come, select this. Let me reduce it a bit inside, somewhere there. Then I also highlight this one. I hold on to Control. So I'll come and mirror them. Click on the mirror tool. I mirror them this side. Then for this one, I'm going to draw it also using the start end radius. Click on that. Pick this up to there. Then have it curved like that. Then I'll need also to sketch out on this side. So I'm going to use the line straight. I'll come, have it here, up to maybe somewhere there. I escape. For this curve, I'm going to use this option of start end radius. I click on it, come pick this, then I adjust it like that. I'm going to do the same for this curve up to somewhere here. Then I rotate it up to there. So next I can highlight these lines. Hold on to Control. I select multiple. And I'm going to mirror them. I'm going to use the mirror for drawing axis. So I'll click on that and then mirror this. Let me draw this axis up to there. I have something like that. The remaining ones, we need also to close these ones. So I'm going to use the start end radius arc. I'll click on it. Then come here, pick this up to there. Then I adjust. Just like that. I'm going to do the same also here. Pick this up to there, then I adjust like that. Then we need also a circle in the middle. I'm going to use the circle option. I'll click on it, come here, then I have the circle like that. So having these two, I'm going to only use these ones and I mirror them. I'll simply come, highlight all of them like that. Then I'm going to use this second mirror tool by drawing the axis. I'll click on it, then I come mirror this this side. Let me see, like that. Then also I need to mirror this single one here. So I can simply come, select these ones. I hold on to Shift. I unselect this. I need to mirror this side. Click on this mirroring option. I come, mirror it this side. Then I'm going to mirror it also up that side. Now I'm remaining with this one. I can simply select any. Let me go with this one. I hold on to control. I hold on to control. I select multiple. Just like that. Now I'm going to mirror it. I'm going to use this mirroring tool. I'm going to draw the axis line. So I'll have that. Then this one I can just simply mirror it. That side. Then I can come here, change material. Let me just create a new material for this one. I drop down here, create new material, default material, right click, and I'll come and rename it maybe to brick. Let me just call it brick. I come under appearance library. I'll click on this appearance library. I click on this, then I'll go under masonry. I drop down, and then I can look for any. Maybe let me go with this brick red. Can click on that. Then I apply. I say okay. Yeah, this is okay. So I'll simply click on OK. Cannot have overlapping lines, so we shall need to look for those overlapping lines. I'll say OK. There are two lines here. Click this, I delete, Ctrl Z. These lines overlap, so I'll need to adjust. I think this has happened to all of these ones. So I make sure I join them so that they don't overlap. So I'll come finish. That is okay. So I'm going to save this. I'll come to the save tool where I can simply type Ctrl S. I click on it. I'm going to save it on a desktop. I can call it my profile Jali wall. Jali wall. Then I save it. After saving it, I'm going to load it into this project. I'll come load it. It has loaded into our project. When I come to 3D of our project, this is the project that we have. So I'll simply come on this curtain wall. You make sure this curtain wall is exterior glazing. So I'll come to edit type. I edit the type. But before that, let me first close this. Before that, we can come back to our Jali wall we have modeled. When I click on this reference line, or for instance, let me take an elevation, then I come to 3D. I can view the model I've made. Let me first hide this. I give this fine. When I rotate around, this is what we have modeled. I can come play around with this. I change this to shaded. We have something like that. And I change it to realistic. Now we have something like that. Yes, so we have already loaded it into the project. I'll come back to this 3D. I click on this curtain wall. Make sure it is exterior glazing. Then I'll come to edit type. In the edit type, under vertical grid layout fixed distance, I'm going to change this to 500. Then also for the horizontal grid, I'm going to change them to 500. Yeah, then under construction, the curtain panel, under none, I'm going to drop down, then look for the panel, the profile. It is here, the Jali wall profile. I'll click on that, and I say apply, then OK. Yes, so we have our panel created. I click on OK. Yes, so this is what we have. As you can see, I can maybe adjust on the visual style. You can change it to realistic. Yes, this is what we have. Yeah, you can do any design that you want and come up with something like this. This is perfect and is nice. So thank you for watching this episode, and please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more educative tutorials, and at the same time to turn on your notification for the daily updates. Thank you. Stay blessed.